It's November, and that means that our fall open house is 1 week away. This is our biggest event of the year. It is something that we look forward to all year round, but we're turning 3, which is a big number, and we're so excited. We wanted to share that the first 50 attendees that come to our open house that day will receive a goodie bag with lots of little fun stuff, as well as the first 20 people that purchase a package at our event that day will receive a full-size product from Alastin. Their HA product is valued at $118, and it is a beautiful product that provides hydration and a glowy look. The holidays are upon us, and this is an excellent time to really kind of narrow down the time of your preferred treatment. This can also be an extremely busy time of the year to book treatments. Please keep in mind, scheduling ahead of time really ensures that you get your preferred window of healing and downtime, and therefore have your results peaking at your preferred holiday party.